Tutorial on keyboard typing. Generally, the alphabet starts from A, B, C to X, Y, Z. But here in the electronic devices like in the laptop, smartphones or mobiles, etc., the alphabet starts from A, S, D, F, and so on. So this is very important. We have to figure out which fingers goes to which alphabets while typing. Otherwise, we have to hunt, we have to seek all the alphabets which consume much more times. So first of all, we have to place our left hand fingers, the little finger, on the home key A, the ring finger on the S, the middle finger on the D, the index finger on the F, and the thumb finger on the space bar. Likewise, the right hand's little finger we have to place on the semicolon, the ring finger place on the alphabet L, the middle finger place on the alphabet K, the index finger place on the alphabet Z, and the thumb finger we have to place on the space bar. For more detail, to do more practice, we have to do the practice. So here I am going to show you one application for the typing. There are various kinds of the applications we can find on the internet for the typing. Here I am going to use the rapid typing. So let's open this. Yeah. Here you can see that in the pictures, the fingers, our fingers are always, we have to place on the home key. That means A, S, D, F, likewise. And the thumb finger, it goes in the space bar. This is the space bar. And the right hand's finger are on the semicolon, L, K, and J, and again the thumb finger in the space bar. So while we have to type, let's type. Yeah. Now you can see the green line, green color in the index finger. We have to type F, now the space, now the index finger of the right hand, J, space, likewise D, again space bar, again the right middle finger, that means the K, space, the left index finger, F, space, and for the J we have to type the right index finger to type the J, space, G. Likewise, you can do more practice for typing. So you can easily download the rapid typing software from the internet. It is free of cost, so you can download easily and you can do much more practice. Thank you so much.